Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a hair review with Nikiss hair. I'm just going to be doing the unboxing with you. So here's the hair. I got an elastic band and a wig cap in the box that it came in. Next I'm going to be showing you guys the hair itself. It came in a really nice vinyl bag. I love the packaging. I love how it came in. It was like extra secure. It came in another plastic bag. The hair was about 10 inches deep curl. Again, this is from Nikiss hair. This is an Amazon vendor. So the hair came wrapped around in this net. It was really soft. It was really easy for me to run my fingers through. I didn't have any problem with like it snagging. The hair came with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, and 1 on the back, and also a drawstring. I personally don't use the combs when I'm doing my wigs, but you know, that's just your preference. The lace was really nice. As you can see, it kind of was given HD, but it wasn't HD. It was transparent. It was cute. Like, I loved the lace. I loved the hair. I loved everything about this. It was just perfect. Mind you, this is my first time doing a short bob wig. So here's the bleach that I used by Clairol. I used some cheap purple shampoo and 40 developer. This is just everything that I used to mix the bleach and everything together. And I'm gonna be quiet because you guys should already know how to bleach lace. I mean, if you don't, then here's a clip of how I do it myself. This is my personal preference. I am not a hairstylist. This is just what works for me. So, yeah. Does anyone else start to feel like when they're bleaching their knots, they're dying? Like, I don't know what was going on. I've used bleach before, but I literally had to go get like the mask that everyone has been using during COVID and turn on the air in my kitchen because I thought I was going to really die. I could not believe that this bleach and this developer was so strong like that. Has that happened to any of y'all? Again, you guys, as I said, this is my personal preference as how this is my personal preference how I do my bleaching of my knots. I like to work in sections and I like to make sure that I'm not wasting product and I'm doing it the right way, again, for me. Other people work differently. Other people want to just, you know, do whatever that they do, and that's fine. That's not how we do it on this side. So as you can see, I'm just going back in, and this is what the paste is supposed to look like. The bleach is supposed to look like. It's giving a what is wrong with me? I can't speak today. I'm just going ahead and I'm adding the bleach onto the knots of the wig. I guess I should put a disclaimer. Me personally, I like to over bleach my knots, and I also like to over pluck my frontals, my wigs. So I don't know why I just got stuck like that, guys. Just it is 9 o'clock in the morning. I have been dealing with my 1-year-old son. I just need to put that out there because this is why I sound horrible. This is why this video, this voiceover is not, it's not it. Like, just don't drag me in the comments. Don't drag me, please, because I'm doing the best that I can. I don't mean to rant. I just have to put that out there. But anyways, as I was saying, I like to over bleach my knots. I like to over pluck my wig. So as you can see, what I'm doing is just taking the bleach and just pressing it onto the thing. So again, people don't do everything the same. Certain people do things differently. And when I work with my clients, I don't do this method. I do exactly what they ask of me. So just take your time as well when you're doing this. Don't rush. You know, like, the wig isn't going anywhere, and if you're in a rush to go somewhere, then you shouldn't be doing the wig right then and there at that moment, because it takes time to, you know, look like a baddie, you heard? you guys like this part of the video, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a more detailed video on how I bleach my knots, especially like with the over plucking and over bleaching. Like, that's again just my personal preference, so just let me know, because I like how I do my stuff. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some aluminum foil over the top of these knots. I'm gonna let them sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and yeah, we'll be back. So off camera, I went ahead and rinsed out the bleach out of the wig, and I did my bald cap method. This is not the bald cap method that I usually do. I was honestly just trying to get this video done and over with. It was a lot going on in my house, so this is the bolt hold that I'm using right now on my edges. Well, not really my edges, but you know, on the perimeter of my head for the wig. This is the first layer, and I'm gonna be quiet going forward so that you guys can see exactly what it is that I do, and I don't want to talk you to death. Guys, I was in shambles. I had forgot to put the makeup on my bald cap before I put the glue. When I tell you I was going through it this day, like you can tell, like you can see in the video, my whole energy just changes completely. Like, it was such a rough day. So here's what the wig looks like on the inside after it's being bleached. I also went ahead and plucked it and styled it a little bit too. So that's what you guys are gonna see once I put it on my head. I just wanted this video, I just wanted this video to be as short as possible. Also, with this wig, as I said, I over bleached my knots, but I guess I like over bleached a little bit too much, and the hair became blonde. But in the end, when you see, it looked perfect. Like, it looked like it was literally coming out my scalp. Like, my boyfriend said that it looked like as if like my hair was blonde and like I just dyed it black and just didn't get the roots. But like when you look at it like outside, like I'll add videos of it and everything, it looked like it was really mine. I couldn't believe that I bodied this look like that. Oh, sure. I don't know what the hell is going on, but let's just jump right back into it, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Ah, y'all can't tell me I ain't bodied that. I don't care what y'all say. I bodied that. As I said before, I like to work section by section, so I believe I do like 4 tabs cutting off the lace and just making sure that everything is glued down and in place. Sorry for the background noise. My child decided to come and start playing with his toys. Oh, that was bars. Sorry for the noise. My child decided he wanted to come play with his toys. Oh, I got bars. Chill. So I got bars. I could body bars and I could body a wig. Y'all ain't telling me nothing. I could be a rapper. I'm the next. I don't even know who's. Oh, Cliff. I don't even know how to say his name. Cliff, you know who I'm talking about? The one who be slaying the wigs and he a rapper. He be bodying stuff. Chill. And I got my background singer. Oh, you're not telling me nothing. So after this part, everything else that I do is basically just like styling the hair, doing the baby hairs, laying down my sideburns, everything like that. That's why I really didn't want to talk to you guys like in the previous part, because I wanted you guys to basically see exactly what I did without like trying to listen to me and trying to see what I'm doing. Like, that makes sense. Like, I'm one of those people, like, I could see what you're saying. I could see what you're saying. Lord have mercy. Oh my God. Was saying, I'm a visual person, so sometimes when I'm watching a YouTube video and I'm watching someone do like teach me something, like a hair tutorial, something like that, I just turn the volume all the way down and just watch the video, because I want to focus on what's being done and not what's being said. And then I'll go back and listen to what she's like. If there's a part in there that I need to hear, like I want to hear, I'm like, wait, what is she saying? Like, you know, I'll go whatever. But I wanted you guys to just get the gist of everything that was going on. Right now, I'm just styling my sideburns in this part of the video. This whole, like the whole rest of this video is just me styling the hair. So Guys, it's coming to the end of this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell while you're at it. Mwah! Bye. Thank you. Thank you. I keep telling you to let me do your hair, and you be like, anybody else here with us? No.